What you're looking at isn't a scene from a sci-fi movie.
It's real. Every second, machines like this build cars with incredible speed and precision. No coffee breaks, no mistakes. But how exactly do they do it? Let's take a look inside one of the most advanced manufacturing systems on Earth.
Welcome to Mr.Z, where technology meets the future.
Before automation changed everything, car manufacturing relied entirely on human labor. In factories like this, every step was done by hand, from assembling the frame to installing the engine and building the interior. And this was the early assembly line system. Workers were stationed along a production line, each responsible for a specific task. It helped speed up production compared to building cars one by one. Cars like the Ford Model T were mass-produced using this method in the early 1930s. With assembly lines, a single car could be built in just a few hours instead of several days. But it still required strong teamwork and skilled hands. Every part, from the wheels and engine to the dashboard, and paint was installed manually. There were no robots, no computer controls. Precision and physical effort were essential, or the work environment was demanding. Loud machines, intense heat, and fast-paced routines made this a challenging job. Yet, this era shaped the foundation of modern manufacturing. These early production methods taught the industry how to improve efficiency, reduce costs, and increase output. They paved the way for the high-tech factories we know today. While technology today has transformed the factory floor, it all began with these manual processes. Understanding how cars were built in the past helps us appreciate just how far manufacturing has come and where it's heading next. As demand for cars grew worldwide, manufacturers began searching for new ways to increase production without sacrificing quality. This led to the introduction of better tools, improved materials, and more standardized parts. In the mid-20th century, conveyor belts and mechanical arms began assisting workers, not replacing them, but making their jobs faster and more precise. These innovations were the first step toward automation. Factories became larger, more organized, and more efficient. Engineers designed assembly lines to reduce waste, improve flow, and maximize output. These were the early foundations of modern lean manufacturing. As time went on, computers entered the production floor. They controlled timing, monitored parts, and helped ensure consistent quality. This marked the shift from mechanical industry to smart industry, a transformation that still continues today. But none of it would have been possible without the lessons and hard work of the past, when every car was the result of hands, sweat, and human skill. Today, robots and AI perform tasks once done by hand welding, painting, assembling parts, all with incredible speed and accuracy. But behind every line of code and mechanical movement is a century of human innovation. Looking back at the early days of car manufacturing reminds us, progress doesn't happen overnight. It's built layer by layer and by workers, engineers, and dreamers who dared to push the limits. Have you ever wondered how cars are built today? It's not just humans on the factory floor anymore. Meet the real stars of modern car manufacturing, robots. In today's factories, massive robotic arms weld, bolt, and assemble car parts with extreme precision. These robots work 24/7, never get tired, and can perform the same task thousands of times flawlessly. The process begins with the chassis, the car's skeleton. Robots pick up and position heavy metal frames, ensuring everything is perfectly aligned before moving to the next stage. Next, the body is painted using robotic sprayers. These machines apply paint with microscopic accuracy, ensuring a smooth, even coat with zero waste. Then giant robotic ovens bake the paint dry. Now comes the final touch. Robots install engines, seats, dashboards, even windshields. Cameras and sensors guide every move, nothing is left to chance. Humans still play a vital role, especially in quality control and delicate tasks. Together with robots, they create cars faster, safer, and better than ever before. From raw materials to a finished car in hours, robotics is changing the game. This is the future of car manufacturing, smart, fast, and automated. Behind all these robots is a digital brain, artificial intelligence. AI systems manage the workflow, monitor performance, and can even predict when a machine part might fail before it actually does. Every step is monitored by high-resolution cameras and laser sensors. This technology helps robots detect even the tiniest errors, from loose bolts to uneven paint jobs. Robots don't just speed up production, they make the workplace much safer. Accidents have dropped dramatically as robots now handle the heavy and dangerous tasks. In the near future, car factories will be even smarter, more robots, more automation, even dark factories that run without lights, because robots don't need them. This isn't science fiction, it's happening right now. Imagine a factory with no humans in sight. No shouting, no rushing, just silence, and machines that move with perfect precision. This isn't science fiction. It's the future of car manufacturing. And it's already happening. In tomorrow's factories, intelligent robots do more than just assemble parts. They scan, adjust, learn in real time. AI-powered systems track every bolt, every weld, every motion. If something's off, they correct it instantly, without waiting for human input. Forget conveyor belts and sparks flying. The new production lines are run by neural networks, sensors, and virtual interfaces. Managers monitor the whole system from a smart dashboard and sometimes even remotely. The factory becomes a living system. Always thinking, always optimizing. In this new era, machines don't just work. They collaborate, adapt, and evolve. Car factories are becoming cleaner, faster, and smarter than ever before. And one thing is clear, the future of manufacturing is not just automation, it's intelligence. And then, the final moment, the doors slide open, and a brand new car rolls out. No fingerprints, no oil stains, just a flawless machine, born from code and steel. It didn't come from sweat and muscle. It came from algorithms, robotics, and the silent teamwork of artificial minds. Every detail measured, every step optimized. The car doesn't just move, it represents progress. A symbol of what humans and machines can build together. As it drives into the world, one thing becomes clear. This isn't just the future of factories, it's the future of creation itself. Behind this system, technologies like industrial robotics, predictive AI, and IoT sensors work together in harmony. All of them are designed to create production that is faster, more accurate, and more energy efficient. This is the new era of manufacturing, and where efficiency, data, and artificial intelligence form the foundation.